There is a giant cold scar in the universe. Known as the CMB cold spot, this massive region defies the standard laws of cosmic temperature.
Standard cosmology struggles to explain it. It is simply too large and too cold to be a random fluctuation.
One theory suggests it is a supervoid, a vast, empty wasteland spanning billions of light-years across. But others believe it could be a bruise from a collision with another universe, hinting at physics beyond our imagination.
If you love questioning reality itself, subscribe to Curiosity Singularity.